I'm Elissa Mahendra, and I'm the Chief Talent and Inclusion Officer at Cetera Financial Group. So Cetera has, in my 9 years, been through a culture journey. And so through that culture journey, our partnership with i4cp has really accelerated our path as we've gone through organizational changes, as we've had headwinds in certainly the economic space and the social space and the world platform through COVID and work from home. And what I really appreciate is i4cp wasn't trying to sell us something. i4cp was a partner on a journey that is multi-year and is not a one-size-fits-all. So there's a roadmap that we can all follow, but how we contextualize it for our organization is what I loved about the flexibility of the model, the 18 steps in the Culture Renovation book. And i4cp not only gave us the roadmap, but really were in our shoes with us as we were going through the journey. So starting with introducing us and our executive team to that process, helping to leverage some of the insights we had from our internal engagement and employee voice of the team survey, talking to our executive team about the from to, and then validating our process and our thinking about our listening strategy. We had 18 listening sessions across our locations, being a thought partner as we digested so much information and tried to make sense of what that really means and validating it against research that i4cp has. And ultimately through that listening strategy, and we very much subscribe to the co-creation mindset and process and methodology, to a place where kind of phase one, we got to a deliverable of a culture playbook, which was an expression of our simplified purpose, our mission, our values and behaviors, which is the cornerstone now that we can leverage to embed, optimize, integrate into all of our people programs so that it lives and breathes and is real and is more than just words on the wall or more than a PDF. So I'd say really partnership comes to mind as the word that describes i4cp in our culture journey.